Mahilig ka ba sa steaks? What if I told you you can have unlimited steaks for only 588 pesos dito sa Uno Steaks and Wine in España, Sampaloc, Manila? Steaks tulad ng T-bone at ribeye steaks. Included na rin ang pasta, burger steak, lumpia, Hungarian sausage at unlimited sidings. Sounds amazing, di ba? Ang cozy pa ng place at super accessible. The first and second floor is for the steakhouse. Ang sarap kumain dito. About their only offer, imagine you can enjoy all of this for only 588 pesos. First, we try the steaks. Family recipe nila ito. At masarap dahil sa ginamit nilang secret recipe of marinated sauce. Their in-house gravy recipe complements so well with the steak. May kasama na rin itong Hungarian sausage, malaki ang servings, at savory. Also included, chicken burger and quarter pounder. If mahilig ka sa burger steak, panalong-panalo to. Mas lalong pinasulit kasi kasama na rin sa binayaran mo ang pasta, lumpia tuge, na super crunchy, mushroom soup, potato marbles, fresh fruits, stir-fried veggies, at may kasamang drinks na din. Unli steak ito ha, for 3 hours dining. Sulit, diba? Also, they have a la carte menu. Must try dito ang sizzling beef and salmon, smoked baby back ribs, and delicious Aloham Wagyu beef skewers. Overall, super sulit. Yan lang ang masasabi ko dahil talaga namang masarap at mura pa. Dito lang yan sa Uno Steak and Wine.